Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off autofill service on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and tap on general management. Next, we scroll down and tap on passwords and autofill. Then tap on autofill with Samsung Pass. Now tap on the left hand side panel. Don't tap on the settings icon because that will take you to the setting page of that selected password manager. So tap on the left hand side panel. Then to turn off the autofill service, select none. Otherwise, if you would like to use an autofill service, you can choose Google Autofill Service, or you can choose Samsung, or you can choose other services providers such as Dashland or Keeper Password Manager. So select one of the options available. Let's say you want to use the default Samsung Pass, you can select that. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off the passwords and autofill service on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.